Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a flying game in Scratch. It's pretty easy and this is one of the easiest way to make a flying game. And let me tell you a secret. In a flying game, the character does not fly actually. The objects are flying and it looks like the character is flying with them. Let's get started. First we're going to choose our sprite. I'm going to choose a bat. Let's do it. So now we'll cancel the sprite one and start the bat. Now we want the bat to move upward. So what we are going to do is go to events, take out when green flag clicked block, go to control. Actually, yeah, and forever block, it means it's going to happen again and again, continuously. And then if dash then block, if dash then block from control, go to sensing, if up arrow key pressed. Up arrow key is one of the keys in your keyboard in your computer. So you may check it out. Yeah, when you will click that key, we want the bat to go up. So we're gonna go here and choose change Y by 5. And now we will duplicate this. Duplicate is basically duplicating it, pressing on the green flag and then duplicating it. We will make a few changes like down arrow. Now we want it to go down, so we're gonna press the down arrow and -5. So when we press this, it's gonna work. Don't forget to press the green flag. It's going up and down. When you're gonna press the up arrow key in your keyboard, it's gonna go up, and when you're gonna press the down arrow key, it's gonna go down. So actually, in the y-axis, if you have a positive number, it's gonna go down, and a negative number, it's gonna go down. So that's how it works. Now we will have something for it to collect, like a star is the best thing, and star is also matching the theme. Here we have a star, and let's give it a nice background. Of course, I forgot the background. Here we go. Here is our star. So we want the star to move forward to the bat. So what we will do is basically go to events, when green flag clicked, go to control, forever block from control, go to motion and pick go to block, and basically do not change the position because it's the right position your star is on. Your star is basically on 209 and 47, so that's the position. I'm going to explain this further. Forever. And next thing what we are going to do is basically go to motion again and choose set x to change x by -5. Yeah, we have that now. And let me explain you something. Look, basically sometimes the star gets stuck here. So when we are gonna press this button, it's gonna be back in place. And -5 means it's gonna move a bit forward because look, it's here and we want it to move forward so the bat can actually collect the star. So basically this is how it's gonna collect. And if we didn't have the forever loop, this is what's gonna happen. It's just gonna move once. It's not working. So when you put it in the forever loop, it's gonna happen again and again. So that's what it means. And now we're gonna add a few more things. Look, this is going, but it gets stuck here. So what we are gonna do is go to operators, go to pick this block, and go to events and basically control. Sorry, it's control. if then block and choose this green block and put it right here. I'm going to explain every single thing. Minus 235. Go to motion and basically choose X position. And then put this star back here and see its position. Yeah, here we go. Basically, it's gonna move forward, and when it's here, it's gonna come back. Let me explain you one more thing. So, look at this. This is the X position right here. So, if the X position is gonna be actually lesser, like minus 171 is lesser than to minus 235, so it's gonna go back like that. So yeah, it's gonna go back in its position, which is uh, right here. It's right here. Yeah, it's gonna go back. It's gonna come here. Its position is lesser than minus 235. It's gonna go back to its position. Here we go. Now we want the star to be collected, so what we are going to do is go to events, choose when green flag clicked, choose control, which is going to be forever, and actually now we're going to choose if then block from control, go to sensing, go to touching bat, then we're going to go to looks and make it hide, and then we can play sound, collect until done, and then show again. Basically, when it touches the bat, it's gonna hide, the sound will be played, and it's gonna show again. Now let's make some more obstacle. Let's make an obstacle for it. Go right here, and I'm gonna choose a crystal. Here's our crystal, and we are gonna make its size to 300, and here we go. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy the code, duplicate it, and here we go. Oh, that doesn't work. Duplicate. When it shakes, you're gonna press the right button on your mouse, and here we go. We have it. And now, what we want to do when the bat touches the crystal, we want it to stop. So what we are gonna do, go to events, take out this, go to control, press this forever loop, if then block, and then go to sensing. If it's touching bat, it's gonna stop all. Go to control, pick stop all. So the bat has to prevent from touching from the diamond, and here we go. We can add more stars. So basically press this and duplicate it and let this star wait a little. We're gonna go to the control, pick this wait 1 second block and put it right here, in the star 2. Now the game is working, but sometimes the stars hide, so we're gonna put one more code in the stars. So we're gonna go to the star 1 and basically go to events. When green flag clicked, go to control, pick forever loop, and actually, yeah, forever loop. Not forever actually. When green clicked, show. So basically, as you can see, sometimes we can't see the stars. So when you're going to press this, they're going to be seen again. Now go to star 2 and put the same code, but let's just duplicate it. Shake, good. Here we have it, and let's play the game. Okay, this is how our game is working, and I'm pretty proud of it. You can add more crystals, and look,